Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about the moon. The moon. I had many mystical experiences with the moon. The moon always spoke to me really clearly. The moon enhances what you are and what you feel. The moon enhance your demons or enhance your peace. It depends on what is inside you. In night of full moon, there is also like double of the police around for a reason, because the demons come out. On a spiritual level, the moon can be one of the most amazing free psychologists and tool that you can ever ask for. By listening to the energy and how you feel during one day before the moon, one day before the full moon, and the day after the full moon, if you are able to self-analyze yourself, analyze your behavior, your feelings, maybe with a diary or something, and you take notes of how you feel in those 2-3 days, you will realize that the moon is there to enhance what you are, and in this way show you if you are good or bad. Happened to me many times that during the full moon I was having like panic attack and going in really dark places. My mind was overthinking, over worry. If you are paranoid, if you are a paranoid person, or an overthinking person, or an over worry person, in the night of the full moon you will literally go mentally over worry, mentally over paranoid, and you can turn into a demon. You will argue a lot with people and people surrounding you, and you might even give the fault to everyone else, when in reality is just the demon in you. You are angry with yourself and you externalize it, and it will drive you mad. If you are in a peaceful place, the moon enhances that. So if during a full moon night you feel in total zen, you know that you are in the right place, in your spiritual path, in your spiritual growth. In the other side, I always suggest to people to go out, or even from your window, and just stare at the moon in a meditation moment, because the moon will show you your demons, and instead of feeling sad, and instead of feeling instead to let your mind take over you and keep leading you in fight with people, or feeling paranoid, angry, over worry, panic attacks, by observing it, sitting down and accepting your demons, recognizing them, seeing them, and give love to them. Yes, I'm worried. Why am I worried? We can stop this. Go out, have a walk, choke yourself in a cold shower, put your face underneath the water, whatever, and laugh and smile, because you've seen it. You could see this entity, you could see this negativity that is not yours, but it rise up so much during the full moon. Accepting it and loving it and let it go. If you don't do this, every full moon of every month is gonna be worse and worse and worse until you don't learn. Some people never learn, and they think that they are chronic paranoid, chronic over worry, anxiety, when in reality is just accepting those demons and give them love, not creating resistance. It helps you to summon your higher self, because in a night of full moon you can go out of your body and observe yourself from a third perspective, and analyze how this individual behave, taking notes of what is going on in your mind in this full moon, and acknowledge and accept what you understood. That is connecting with your higher self. You are having a third perspective. You are seeing the things in a bigger picture. And it allows, when you accept and love something and recognize it and heal it through love, that is the most powerful spiritual tool that you can use. And just by doing this, something happens inside of us. And it allows you for real to hound demons that in the other day of the month you are not quite able to figure it out. In the other day of the month, these demons is kind of hidden and it come out just sometimes. And in the full moon, it's like bam, pam, manifesting through you, through your action, through anger, through arguing with people, through a feeling of unease, paranoia, over worry, stress. And it really allows you to acknowledge it, and it might take you a few full moons, but it's a free psychologist in the sky for us to use. Write a little mantra in which you state that you've seen it, you recognize, you can identify what is it, and start a deep journey on understanding where it come from, why are you so paranoid, why you cannot be happy, why are you angry with everyone, why you feel like that. And it really allows you to go deep into yourself and finding answers that sometimes not even a psychologist can find. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and if you have any question, let me know. Remember that I am in TikTok as well now, and in Patreon, my god, my pronunciation. Like and subscribe in this channel. If you want a private session with me, you can book a personal on the email down below, and see you next time.